So, andito tayo ngayon sa field residences in Parañaque City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. Corner unit to. 6th floor, building 2 and building A. So, ito siya. So, this is the unit. 2 bedrooms. Around 54 square meters. So pagpasok nyo, ayan, andito yung bathroom niya. And then, this is the bedroom 1. And ayan ang view niya. And then kitchen. And as you can see, yung mga tiles natin nag-angatan na. Wala po kasi nakatira dito for quite some time. That's why nag-angatan na siya. Gawa yan ng init, lamig, pag wala nakatira. And then, ito yung bedroom 2 or the primary bedroom. Meron siyang sariling bathroom. And since corner unit, we have windows on both sides. Ayan. So this is around 5.4 million or 100,000 per square meter. Below market and zonal value na po yan. And ito yung balcony niya. As you can see, very spacious yung balcony. And facing amenity area. Ayan. May konting view ng swimming pool and ng parang Central Park niya. Yan. So this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment. And then 80 to 90% balance in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So as you can see, medyo maraming ipapaayos dito, katulad ng flooring niya. Yan nga, nag-aangatan na yung tiles. As is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. Meron din tayong abang dito, parang laundry area niya. And submission of offers first come first served basis. We can request for discount, especially if you are a cash buyer, subject to management approval. Pwede natin itong makuha around 4.7 million discounted price for approval. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So andito tayo sa amenity area or yung parang Central Park ng field residences. Located to in Parañaque and Las Piñas. Dalawa yung address nito eh. Yung building 1 to 5 or 6, parang Parañaque siya. Yung 6 to 8 is Las Piñas. Ayan. So yes, binaha dito nung huling bagyo ba yun, Christine. Yung building 5 ang binaha dito, sabi ng mga guard. Pero hanggang lang naman, yung ground floor area lang naman and mabilis din na bumaba yung tubig. Yan. So, ang remedy dyan, kung ayaw natin ng baha, di dun tayo sa iba kumuha. Pero kung yung budget natin is swak lang dito, dahil affordable nga dito, below market and zonal value, kuha na lang tayo ng mga higher floor, mga second, third, pataas. And meron kami mga available dito for as low as 100,000 per square meter. Yan. So ito yung amenity area niya. If you are interested, message us directly. Ano lang yun. So dito may amenity area pa rin dito. Parks and playground. Parks and playground. May gym din dito. Swimming pool, kumpleto. Resort type amenities dito. So, dulo-dulo yung ano niya. Swimming pool. Taba ng pusa dito. Ayan, swimming pool. Oh. Diba? Ganda. Swimming pool area nila.